This time we are going to find the derivative of the product of two factors. Okay, this is my example, and this is the formula which I'm going to use. Okay, so in order to find the derivative of the product of two factors, you're supposed to simply multiply the first factor times the derivative of the second one plus the second factor times the derivative of the first one. Okay, so I'm going to call the first factor u, okay, and the second factor is called v. Okay, so I have u times v. Now, the formula requires me to find the derivative of v and derivative of u. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to find the derivatives. U equals x. So if you want to find the derivative of u, you're supposed to write du over dx is equal, instead of u, I'm supposed to write whatever I have over here. So I have x, so I have dx over dx. dx over dx is equal 1. Next, I'm supposed to find my v. My v is equal the content of the parenthesis. I have x to the 4th power minus 2. The formula needs to apply the derivative of v. So I have to find the derivative of this. So I have dv over dx. So this is equal exponent x 4 minus 1, and derivative of constant is equal 0. I'm not going to write it. So this is 4x to the 3rd. Okay? So other words, this is my u, and my u prime is equal 1, and this is my v, and this is derivative of v equals 4x to the 3rd. So this is v prime equals 4x to the 3rd. This is just different notation. Next, simply apply all these values into the formula. So we have y prime equals u. My u is equal x. So I have x times v prime. My v prime is equal 4x to the 3rd. Plus v. v is equal x to the 4th minus 2 times u prime, which is equal 1. So I have y prime is equal x times 4x cubed, this is equal 4x to the 4th power, plus x to the 4th minus 2. This is equal 5x to the 4th minus 2. And this is the solution to my problem.